Hi, good morning. Firstly, sorry I could not upload the videos for 2 days because I had to go out of town to my beautiful town, that is Dharwad, to exercise my democratic right to vote. I hope you guys have done the same, you have voted. Anyways, so let's understand what is happening with the markets. Let's start with Nifty analysis. If you have not watched my previous videos, please go and watch my previous videos if you are looking to learn something out of them. I have mentioned certain levels. Those levels need to be crossed if we have to initiate longs. So if you have watched the videos and the analysis that I do for my personal reference purposes, for my personal record purposes, this will give you immense value. Anyways, so let's understand what's happening with Nifty. As I had mentioned in one of the videos, this level was expected to be a resistance, and resistance it has been, because there has been a good fall on Nifty. If you can see from this level, there has been a good fall from Nifty from 22,800 all the way down to 22,300 levels. So there has been nearly 490 points fall on Nifty. Now yesterday you saw a small uptick in the markets, okay, in Nifty. It is a green candle that can be seen here. So what am I expecting to happen in the market? So this gap is expected to be close. It's close to this particular level. Now, as I said, I like to trade in the direction of the trend. As of now, I am not turning my view bearish, but as the markets turn, as the price action dictates, I am going to turn my view. But presently I am looking to see if the momentum is expected to continue in the broader direction. So what is the level that I'm watching out for in Nifty to initiate the longs? Okay, let's understand what is happening on the charts on a smaller time frame. So this is the chart on a smaller time frame. Now this is the level that I'm looking at. Now if you see Nifty has been doing after reaching 22,000 2200 level. So the mark that I'm looking at, if I have to turn bearish, is 22,000 level. Okay, this 22,000 level, if it is broken, okay, if it gets broken towards the downside, okay, with great force, then I expect Nifty to go, okay, to continue downwards unless it tells me, okay, now the direction has changed. So 22,000 level is the level that you need to watch out for. If I have to look out initiating the long trade, so this is the level that I'm looking out for to initiate the long trade, that is 22,350 to 22,400 level. Unless this level gets broken, okay, I am not going to be bullish. So only if I see this particular level gets broken comfortably and the bulls have the force, then I have to see the buying force, the auctioning continuing, then I will be looking at long in Nifty. Okay, that is, I am bullish on Nifty on the market. So right now if you see Nifty is in a nice consolidation mode. Okay, the bulls and bears are slugging it out. Let's see who's going to win this particular battle. All right, so let's check for few stocks that I'm looking at in terms of swing trade. So which are the stocks that I'm looking at in terms of the swing trade? The stocks that I'm looking at, the first stock that I'm going to discuss is HSCL, that is Himadri Specialty. If you look at the stock, okay, if you look at the direction towards the upside, as I keep saying in all my videos, trade in the direction of the trade in the direction of the broader direction and keep your losses small. So what I'm looking at on Himadri Specialty Limited is, see, now this level, you see there's a huge bull candle here that you have seen. So there is buying happened here, but for me to initiate a long, okay, I am looking for this level to be broken. I want to buy, okay, I want to buy higher and I want to sell higher. So I want to see this level, that is 368 370 level, to be broken comfortably and the auctioning happening towards the upside. Then only I am looking to initiate a buy on Himadri Specialty for the momentum to continue towards the upside. Okay, so this is one particular stock that I'm looking at from the swing perspective, that is Himadri Specialty Limited. Okay, now which are the other stocks that I'm looking at? I am looking at another stock, okay, which is Sona Comms. Okay, this is another stock that I'm looking at in terms of, now this particular stock has been beaten down, okay, has been beaten down, but if you see here, it is at a particular important juncture here around the 600 level mark. Okay, this is 600 level mark here that you are looking at. It has been in a nice consolidation mode. This is not in upward momentum in the broader direction, is not up nor down, but if it's been in a nice consolidation mode. So now this is what I'm looking at. So the level that I'm looking at for Sonacom's BLW Precision Limited to be broken is 615 to 618 level. Now if and only if this level gets broken, okay, if you see this level and if you see the market price action, what a beautiful market price action this has been here. It has been in consolidation mode. So if 615 to 618 level gets broken comfortably, okay, and the momentum and the buying and the auctioning happens, then I'm going to be bullish on this particular trade. Okay, I'm going to be bullish on this particular trade, that is Sonacom. So which is the other stock that I'm looking at? Is the other stock that I'm looking at is Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, that is KIMS. All right, so this is the stock, Krishna Institute of Medical Science Limited. This is another stock. Now if you see the broader direction, the momentum is towards the upside. Okay, the buying has been happening, it has got higher highs and higher lows. So this is the stock that I'm watching out for. Now what is the level that I'm looking out for? Okay, for my personal reference, now this is the level that I'm looking out for personal reference. If I have to initiate a long trade, that is 2065 to 2075 levels to be broken. Only if this level gets broken, then I am going to look at initiate a long trade. Unless this level is not broken, I am not going to look at initiating the long trade on this particular stock. So this is another stock that I am looking at on the long side. So the next stock that I am looking at is Hindustan Petroleum, that is Hind Petro. Okay, so this is another stock that I'm looking at in terms of the long. So now if you see the particular stock, the broader direction is towards the upside, and I like to trade in the direction of the trend. Now we'll see one particular example. If you're at a beach and if you're trying to go against the waves are going to push you back because their power is enormous. They are the mighty waves, they're going to push you back, so you cannot fight it out. So similar way in the markets as well, you have to trade in the direction of the trade. If you try to go against the particular direction, against the price action, it is going to push you back and you are going to look at making huge losses in the market. So if the broader direction on the Hind Petroleum is towards the upside, and the level that I am looking at for that level to be broken and only then to initiate the long trade is this particular level, that is 528 to 530 level. I want to see the buyers giving me, the bulls giving me that particular confidence that the buying is happening, the auctioning is happening towards the upside. Only then I'm going to look at taking the long trade. So this is another stock that I'm looking at to initiate on the long side. The last stock that I'm looking at to initiate the long side is Orchid Pharma. Okay, this is the stock that I'm looking at to initiate a long trade on the Orchid Pharma. Okay, now if you look at this stock, okay, this stock had made a big move higher. Now it is back to the level of 1000. Okay, so this is the level that I'm looking at if I have to initiate a long trade on Orchid Pharma. Now the price level that I'm looking to initiate the long trade on Orchid Pharma is 1038 to 1042 level to be broken, and once the broken, I want to see that the buying is happening, the auctioning is happening towards the upside, then initiate a long trade towards the upside. So these are the few stocks that I'm looking at to initiate a long trade. Okay, if the market presents me the opportunity, and only if, okay, the market breaks the levels that I'm looking at comfortably and the auctioning continues towards the higher. Remember, it's very important to trade in the direction of the trend, and if the trade, even if you initiate a trade, okay, in the direction of the trend, don't expect the trade to work out 100%. Keep your losses small. If the trade goes against you, have a stop loss in place. This is very, very critical. All right, so these two things make it very big for you in the markets. All right, thank you so much. Until then, the next video.